Welcome to the TraxxShield99 Rolled Moisture Barrier installation instructions for installations over concrete floors. Please follow the steps illustrated in this video for the proper installation of TraxxShield99, which will ensure the prevention of moisture vapor damage to your floor covering. Phase 1. Testing the concrete moisture. Before TraxxShield99 is installed, relative humidity testing is required to understand the moisture conditions of the concrete. This testing must be conducted in accordance with the latest version of ASTM F2170. It is recommended to use a reputable RH test kit, such as the Wagner Rapid RH kit. Readings of the concrete above 80% RH typically require a moisture barrier. TraxxShield99 can be used up to a maximum reading of 99% RH. So rest assured, using TraxxShield99 can protect against most all moisture conditions in the slab. If your RH probe indicates 99.1% through 100%, then TraxxShield99 is not warranted. Be sure to use an RH probe that measures in tenths of a percent when readings are at this high a level. TraxxShield99 is also not warranted against hydrostatic pressure. Phase 2. Preparing the concrete slab. Number 1. It is required that the concrete slab is smooth and level so that imperfections do not telegraph through the finished flooring. Number 2. Be sure to patch all cracks and joints which are 1/8 of an inch or greater. Use a high-quality patch or leveling compound. Number 3. All patching materials must be cured and surface dry before installing TraxxShield99. Number 4. Oils, solvents, and residual adhesive must be removed. A water-based latex primer must be applied over the concrete slab in order to provide a compatible surface for adhering to the backing of TraxxShield99. TraxxShield99 primer has been formulated for both porous and non-porous concrete. Allow 3 hours for primer to fully dry and cure. Also approved are Arctic's P51 primer, Mapei Primer L, and WF Taylor 2025 primer, or equivalent. Phase 3. Installing TraxxShield99. Acclimate the rolls of TraxxShield99 for 24 hours at the job location, in the same manner as a finished flooring. Room temperature must be greater than 65 degrees Fahrenheit. In planning your laydown of TraxxShield99, keep in mind that rolls are 3 feet wide by 66.6 feet long, or 200 square feet per roll. The black adhesive backing of TraxxShield99 has a gray release liner. This side should be facing down on the concrete slab. Step 1. Starting at one corner of the room, roll out TraxxShield99 up to 1/8 of an inch from the wall, and cut the ends to the exact length using a utility knife. You may find that it's easier to handle a piece no greater than 15 to 20 feet in length. Step 2. Fold back half of the piece as shown. Continuously tear away the release liner at the midpoint perforation to expose the black adhesive. Then, fold it back down and affix the TraxxShield99 to the slab by pressing firmly with your hands. Allow the other half of the piece to rest with the liner still on. Then, roll this section with a 100-pound roller to fully bond to the slab. Step 3. Proceed to roll out the second piece of TraxxShield99 and overlap the first piece by approximately 1 inch. Put a heavy weight on the second piece to keep it from moving. Double cut a new seam line through the overlap pieces and discard the cuttings. You have now created a tight seam line. Draw set marks at a couple of locations to ensure proper mating of the seam later. Step 4. Open the seam back to allow for the application of the special TraxxShield99 2-inch moisture seam tape. Draw a straight guideline for the tape. Step 5. Attach the TraxxShield99 seam tape to the prime concrete slab and run along the guideline. The tape will effectively run along the bottom of the seam. The tape is specially formulated to support the moisture vapor suppression system, so it is imperative to use only TraxxShield99 seam tape. Step 6. Proceed to remove the release liner from your first piece and press down firmly over the seam tape line. Then, remove the release liner from the second piece and press it down firmly as well. You have now created a perfect seam line. Be sure the seam line is tight by using a hand roller. This perfect seam will not telegraph through any type of floor covering. Step 7. Now use the 100-pound roller to fully bond this section, and then remove the heavy weights, as this section will no longer move. Step 8. Proceed to install each row of TraxxShield99 and tape accordingly until the room is completely covered. In certain instances, as you come to the end of a roll, there will be a need to create a cross-cut end seam. Be sure to overlap and double cut the end seam first as shown. Then double cut the long seams. Make sure you use heavy weights to hold down each loose piece, and draw set marks where needed. Then repeat the process of drawing your guideline at the seams, applying the seam tape, removing the release liner, folding back the piece, and pressing firmly in place. The TraxxShield99 installation is now done. You now have a professionally installed moisture barrier. Be sure to keep outside dirt off the TraxxShield99 surface before you apply the floor covering adhesive. Phase 4. Installing the finished flooring. Use the adhesive that is recommended by the finished flooring manufacturer. Apply the floor covering adhesive directly onto the TraxxShield99 surface. Although TraxxShield99 is a non-porous membrane, be sure to treat the fabric surface as porous because there will be some absorption of adhesive. This absorption creates a strong bond of the TraxxShield99 to the adhesive and floor covering. Select a trowel notching that provides a pronounced ridgeline as recommended by the adhesive manufacturer. A 1/16 of an inch by 1/16 of an inch by 1/16 of an inch V-notch is the minimum. Do not use a 1/32 inch depth trowel, as the ridgeline may be too small. When applying roll adhesive, use a heavier 1/2 inch nap roller. Allow the adhesive to flash off and proceed to install your floor covering. TraxxShield99 has been approved to suppress moisture vapor in concrete slabs with the large variety of floor coverings shown here. It is the responsibility of the contractor or architect to ensure that the specified floor covering is dimensionally stable. If you have a floor covering not on this list, please contact Trax Corporation. Congratulations on a successful installation of TraxxShield99 Rolled Moisture Barrier. You have the assurance that the floor you've just installed is protected against moisture vapor RH up to 99% and will provide integrity to your name and business.